guys, welcome to my channel Fun with Sajri. So friends, in today's video I am came to waterfall, so I will show you the beauty and the nature. So let's get started. So friends, you can see this is very beautiful nature. You can see here, you can visit here. So friends, like this you can see very beautiful view and we are enjoying very much. Now we are doing trekking, means now we are just moving ahead. You can see. So friends, you can see many people are coming here because the nature you can see here is very beautiful, and you can see there is one waterfall, small one, and I have shown that is the biggest one. So friends, I will show you this view of the side. So friends, you can see there is one waterfall. You can see it is small but it is very beautiful, you can see. And this is the nature. Too much greenery is there. Huh? So friends, now we are returning back to home, and you can see this road.